Hey guys, today I'm going to be making JailBreak on Scratch. Let's do this. So first we are going to want to make a police and prison side. So when you go into the game, you're going to have a choice to be a prisoner or a policeman. So we are going to be making a sprite here. We're going to go to paint. And we are just going to be making a tiny little box right here. Let's hold down shift to make it a perfect box. Center it. Always center your things, guys, so it'll turn out better. And on this one, we can make this police. So let's just write police down real quick. Let's change the color to black. Yeah, looks good. Let's just do that right there. And then let's add some blue. And then we can change the outline of this to white. There we go. This is looking good, guys. And since we have a police one, we have the option to make a prisoner one. But before we do that, we are going to want to script this so we can duplicate it, make a prisoner one, and it should be easier to code. Let's just go to events, go to when flag clicked, and then let's go to when the sprite is clicked as well. So let's have two of these out. And so what we're going to do is we're going to center this. I'm going to put it somewhere where it feels just right. And that looks like a good place to put it, police. So we're going to go to motion and we're going to go to this position. Make sure it's the correct coordinates like it shows here. And once you've done that, you just want to put it under flag click. We have that now. So now we have this. So now we need to make it work. So when the sprite clicked, we can broadcast something, you know? We could do, let's do like, we could do, when the sprite is clicked, we have to make a variable. So this variable we called roll. We have a roll variable now. And when the sprite is clicked, we are going to change the roll variable. So change roll variable. We can do this one. Set roll variable to police. There we go. And then we can broadcast. Done. So when you push this, it'll make your role a policeman and it'll broadcast done. So both the buttons disappear. That's basically it. And then we're going to want to duplicate this. But this time, this is going to be the prisoner side. So first, we are going to be changing this to prisoner. There we go. That looks good. Let's fashion it up a little bit. There we go. You can do these button designs all you want. I'm just making them simple and quick so you guys can just follow along really easily. Okay. That looks good. I like that orange color. And then we are going to be changing the code just a bit. So set roll to police is going to be changed to prisoner. And then broadcast done. We also have to change the position. So let's just move this to the side. And let's put in the real coordinates. Let's drag them in. There we go. We have to do one more thing though before we do these buttons. We have to add hide variables under here. Hide. And then after that, we are going to be testing it out. But before we do that, let's set our roll to nothing. So set variable roll to 0 or nothing. So we've done that, right? So right now our roll is nothing, as you can see. When we push on a button, it will disappear. Okay, so the other one disappears. So what we have to do is to go back into one of these events, receive done, hide. Let's just put this onto both. So let's go back to prisoner again too. And receive done, hide. There we go. And we have to make a show at the start. So when flag click show, there we go. Now let's test it out. Make sure to save your project, guys. Okay, so our role is nothing. Police. We have police runner. Prisoner. so these buttons are fully functional. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to make the spawn points. If you want an next tutorial on how to make the spawn points, you have to like and subscribe, and comment down below. Hopefully, this video will get a lot of views, who knows, and peace guys, see you later.